Hello again, everybody. This is Jen from Caketastic Cakes. Thank you for joining me for another video. And you're looking at this going, wait, what? The pig again? We just did that one. But no, this time I'm going to show you how to do the one laying on his belly. So don't forget, like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Thank you. Okay, anyway, we're going to start just like we did the other piggy video with a ball on top of a pear, basically, shape. This guy, again, he was about 2 inches big. They went together on the same cake. I'm adding his little curly pigtail. We didn't do it on the other guy because he couldn't really see the way he was laying in the mud. But this guy, he's going to be laying on his belly. He's going to be sound asleep, buried in the mud. So you take a little thin pink piece of coil and coil it up on the tail, on the rump there to make the tail, and stick it on with a little bit of water. I'm going to do his ears next. His ears are just like we did the other one. All I did was take kind of an oval, roll it out kind of flat, cut it in half. You can see what I'm doing right here because you're like, hey, how'd you do that? It's okay. I kind of show you. So you take that, cut it in half, you pinch the two sides to curl it in, and then fold the top over. That's all you do. And a little bit of water, and just like that, and stick it on there. So yeah. There you go. Already he's coming out. This guy is even easier than the other one, as you could probably have guessed. Anyway, we're going to add his little snoot next. So that hot pink that we used before, just a little ball of the hot pink. Press it down just to kind of flatten it out. Make it a little more oval than round, but either way works perfectly. And a little bit of water, just like before. Smush it on there. Give him his little nostrils. I'm using my little pointer tool. That's the very technical term for it there. To give him his little nostrils, and that's it. This is my food coloring marker. It's edible marker, and all I'm doing is drawing two little gentle curves to make him look like he's asleep. And this little piggy is ready to go to bed. He's done. He comes out so cute, and he's so easy. So, like I said before, make your pigs in different shapes. If you like this, please like and subscribe. Check out my other pig video to see the one laying on his back. Thank you very much. Bye.